Our featured design today will be on the Avery flower bracelet. As you can see, it's available in 3 colors, the ivory, the black, and the sugar. We'll also be using the string of pearls and variegated succulents that you'll see here, a variety of those, the berries, and a chenille stem. So let's get started. I started by removing the metal disc and tying off our ribbon to secure the wristlet to the designer discs. Next, I took our chenille stem and inserted that in the back to again secure this well, because we want to use this for a mechanic. We're not going to use any ribbon in this design, which makes it somewhat a little bit challenging, but this will allow us to make it work really well. We're going to take our string of pearls, lay that on the top, and twist our chenille stem. We're going to coil our chenille stem in here because that's going to give us a nice gluing surface in addition to our designer disc. Now we're simply going to start inserting our succulents into the corsage. As you can see, I'm putting the glue onto the designer disc, removing it because glue to glue, it's almost like magnetic. If you watch the design video that shows about gluing, it shares that technique, which makes it a lot easier when we go to make our insertions. You can even add additional glue to our designer discs for more insertions. So you can see it's a beautiful wrist corsage using just succulents with no ribbons. Really nice, untraditional look that we know the succulents continue in popularity, and this is a great choice for prom this year or for an everyday corsage.